Hello, Odd Job Doer here, and today's little recipe is not from a cookbook. It's my original one, which sure, you probably find in some cookbook, who knows, but it's going to be a little topping. And what we've got here is we've got 4 ounces of cream cheese, because, you know, I've still got that there to use. I'm going to add to it powdered sugar here. Let's see how much. 1 teaspoon and 2 teaspoons of powdered sugar, and then we're going to do half a teaspoon of some cinnamon. Alright, get that in there. And we're going to add to it a little bit of butter. We're going to do a tablespoon of butter. I think is about a 1/4 inch off of a block. Nah. Yeah, remember if you have this thing here, it talks about a tablespoon. So about a 1/4 inch if you have a normal size stick of butter here. I say normal. But we have butter on its head. And then I'm going to add some honey in the form of probably a teaspoon of honey. Where's my teaspoon at? Alright. Teaspoon of honey. And my honey is kind of angry, so that's going to be like a heaping. Right, this is almost like 2 teaspoons of honey. 1 heaping one. Get in there. Okay, then, last but not least here, I want to add a tablespoon of milk. Nope. Milky. Alright, in you go. Now, it's time to beat it. So, we'll get that hardware set up. Just contemplate on how this might turn out. Alright, like I said, get to beating it down with the whipper. Build up to the side. Just get a, take a spoon. You can take a knife, something like that, just to scrape it down, spatula, whatever. Get the stuff off the side back in the bowl, and we'll get back to whipping in a moment. Looking good, huh? Alright, scrape that off there, and whip it good. Alright. Now then, scrape back down the sides, and it's ready for use or put in the fridge to let it chill. It'll certainly harden up some more in the fridge, but at normal room temperatures it should be fine to use. Alright, I'll just leave that right there. And this right here, you can take this off and scrape it in there. Or you can whose mouth was it? You know, these flavors you can change up. You can put different zests in there. You can put, savory stuff. You can put ginger powder, whatever. You can do I don't know, orange zest, lemon juice maybe. Instead of maybe some milk, that might make it a little more sourish. I don't know, but let me find something to put this on. And I got here some a little slab of cinnamon bread here that I toasted in the oven for a while. And basically like this, just take a big glob of your mixture, put on top here. Maybe another big glob. You can do it on bagels. You can do it on normal toast, whatever. If you were to put it like some basil in here, maybe some onion. You can put on a sandwich spread, Alright, I got a fork here. Just kind of spread it down a little bit. Let it sit there. I think the bread's a little hot. It's a little hot. I'll kind of fan it out here. And yeah, that's it there. Just take some off like this. Yep. So so you could just do cream cheese on something, or mix it up, fluff it up, and make a fancy topping for you there. And so that is pretty tasty. And I'm going to add probably just a little bit more on top of this and chow it down. But any questions, comments, send them down below. I still have, I think, 2 pounds of cream cheese left, so there's going to be more cream cheese recipes to come. And this is my own doing. Like I said, it's a mixture, so anyone can do it. But thanks for watching. Odd Job Doer, getting a snack on.